Hi, welcome to my channel. I'll be your host, Chef Mark. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also leave a comment below. So today we're going to make mandazi. Today's mandazi is going to be so rich in ingredients. So first thing, I'm going to crush my cardamom. You can also get one from the supermarket at a good price, but I like mine natural, that I grind them first and get the feel. So here it is. And we are also going to have our eggs. We are also going to have baking powder. We're also going to have sugar, and we're also going to have our butter. We have milk. We also have our flour here. The flour contains 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So guys, we're going to work on the ingredients. We put together the dry ingredients and blue band together, and then we're going to do what is called rubbing in, as we're going to rub them both using our thumb, as I am doing. This process is very crucial in the making of mandazi, so you have just to follow. So rubbing in, this is what is called rubbing in. Okay, it's just very easy, just as you are washing clothes, just as easy as that. But you must ensure that you rub in all the flour together. They must come together, not just one part, not just upper part, but you must go all through. Okay, so here guys, this is the product from rubbing in. So after we've rubbed in, we're going to bring our liquid part, which is the egg and the milk, together. So the egg we're going to put whole, but the milk we are going to add bit by bit, since we can't use it all, because we want a good consistency, so that it doesn't be like it is so runny, or our dough is just like it's so watery. We want a good consistency that is strong and firm. Okay, so guys, we are going to work on this to get us a very good dough, and I bet this recipe of mandazi is so rich in ingredients and you will like it. So we're going to dust our table. After dusting our table, we're going to work on our dough. The dough is ready. This is how we are going to work on our dough, to knead it. Then after kneading it, and we are satisfied that our action on our dough is okay, and we are going to dust our bowl, put it in the bowl, and cover it with a kitchen cloth and leave it rest for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes guys, our dough has rested enough. Yours can take 1 hour, it depends. So here is our dough. It looks good. So we're going to divide our dough into 3 so that we can make balls out of it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So we're going to roll the balls. We're going to roll them and cut them. We're going to cut them so that they can be into portions, so that we can make balls out of them. So I know maybe you made balls the hardest way, but today I'm going to teach you how to make balls the easiest way. So it's a privilege that you are here. I don't take it for granted. Always remember to subscribe before you move on. It will be of great support from you. So this is how we're going to make balls. This, you put the dough in between your thumb, and you roll it and press it on the table to make balls. You ensure that it is firm as you roll it. It is the easiest way to make balls, and the easiest, simplest way I've ever got. So here are our balls that we are making. Yes, so here are the balls. They are ready, and we are ready to go, right? So what we're going to do next is we're going to roll them. we're going to roll them so that we can cut them into three portions that we were supposed to cut them into three. Okay, so ensure that your cutting is perfect, ensure that your rolling is round, ensure that your rolling is better than mine. I want you to prove me wrong by doing that. So we are rolling our balls. We are rolling our balls here in this stage, and the black spots that you're going to see, these black spots doesn't mean that our table is dirty. It just means that these are the black spots from the cardamom that we crushed. Okay, yeah, so let's continue rolling and rolling and rolling. Try one with me, try one as I do, try one with me. We need not to roll it so thin, so here we want it. So here are our cuttings on our tray that we dusted. So we are going to light up our gas, cooking gas, and we are going to heat our cooking oil here, and it's time to go. We are going to put our dough inside the hot cooking oil. Ensure that your heat is always in medium so that you don't burn the mandazis. This is perfect for family breakfast, perfect for friends that you've invited them over. Maybe in the evening it's cold and you need to take some tea. This is good. So ensure that first thing, ensure that your heat is medium so that you don't burn the mandazis. Okay, so let's do this together. We are almost there. Can't wait to show you the final product. And here it is, the final product. Leave a comment below and kindly subscribe.